Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Ralph making a short video on why it pays to pay attention to the compensation plan in affiliate marketing. There are some beginners in affiliate marketing who will get started out without paying attention to the comp plan of the company that they are joining. And I have to admit, I was one of those people way back about 13, 14 years ago that got started being an Amazon affiliate without paying attention to their compensation plan. I got all excited when I made an $800 sale as an Amazon affiliate, only to find out my paycheck for that purchase would be about $8. $8 commission on an $800 sale. After that, I said, okay, I'm done with this affiliate marketing stuff. But I came back to it, and what that experience taught me is that you really have to be paying attention to the comp plan of any company before you decide to go all in with that company and learn affiliate marketing. Because affiliate marketing, it's not really as difficult as you might think, but it's not as easy as a lot of people think either. It's not really rocket science, but there are a few tricks to making sales, like being able to talk to people, be comfortable with the company that you represent, having self confidence in your ability to be able to make sales, and things like that. And things like that can be learned over time. But the one thing that you really need to know when you first get started out is how much am I going to get paid once I learn how to do affiliate marketing and once I start making sales. Places like Amazon, they average about 3% commission. Walmart.com, about the same way. You can become a Walmart.com affiliate and, yeah, be earning around 3% commissions on certain items. Uh, and then there are other companies that tend to pay like 10% commissions, 20% commissions. And there's one thing that people sometimes fail to recognize altogether, and that's the world of recurring commissions, where you make a sale and you don't get paid just once, you get paid your first month and then every month thereafter for as long as your customer remains a paying customer. So if you're selling memberships, if you're selling subscriptions, things like that, you want to be earning recurring commissions because non recurring commissions, you're only getting paid once every time you make a sale, and that's it. And the end result is you're constantly out there hustling, trying to make sales. With recurring commissions, you attract a core base of customers. And then once you got that core base of customers established, you can be making money month after month after month without hustling anymore to make any more sales because you've got that income coming in on autopilot. So, before you get started with an affiliate marketing company, two things, actually three things you want to be checking out. The first thing is how much do they pay in commission? Is it low commissions, like Amazon, which averages around 3% commissions, but sometimes can drop as low as 1% or even lower? Or are they paying more like 10, 20, 30, even 80% commissions? And then number two, are they paying one-time commissions or are they paying recurring commissions? And if they're paying recurring commissions, then you can be making money month after month after month just off of a core base of customers, as opposed to out there hustling each and every day trying to get a paycheck. So recurring commissions are much better than one-time commissions. And the third thing that you really should be looking out for is how long has the company that you're wanting to do business with been in business? If you're thinking about getting involved in a company that's only been around for a few months, odds are that company may not last more than a year or two or three. A lot of these companies tend to fold and go out of business in a very short period of time. So be checking out the company and see how long they've been in business. If they've already been in business for 3 years, well, then odds are they may be around a few years longer. If they've been around for 5 years, that's a whole lot better. And if they've been in business longer than 5 years, you've really got a company that you should be taking a very serious look at. Now, the company that I work with in affiliate marketing is a place called the Home Business Academy. They were first established way back in 2016. They pay 80% recurring commissions, and they are run by a group of people who are honest and they care about your success. They've got excellent training, excellent tools, and an excellent comp plan. So if you want to check that place out, check the link down in the program description down below. So, this is Ralph signing out. Thanks for dropping by. Hope you found some tips in this, but yeah, 3 things you really need to look out for before getting in business with an affiliate marketing company. 1, do they pay recurring commissions or one-time commissions? 2, are they paying high commissions or low commissions? And number 3, how long have they been in business? Because if they've only been in business for a few months, they may not be in business tomorrow. If they've been in business for a few years, they're more likely to withstand the test of time because they've already got a good future in front of them and behind them. So a good history behind them, I should say. So again, this is Ralph signing out. Thanks for dropping by. Catch you in future updates. Take care. Bye-bye.